Hello students, today we are going to discuss next topic, reactivity towards hydrogen. Now all group 15 elements form trihalides of the type MH3 and having sp3 hybridization. Now stability of hydrides decreases down the group. Stability कम होती है जब हम ऊपर से नीचे आते हैं because there is decrease in bond dissociation energy down the group. Bond dissociation energy ऊपर से नीचे आते आते कम होती है, so that's why stability of hydride decreases down the group. For example, NH3 is greater than PH3, greater than ASH3, greater than SBH3, greater than BiH3. Now, boiling point increases with increase in size. Boiling point increase करता है जैसे जैसे size increase करता है due to increase in van der Waals forces. Now, ammonia has highest boiling point. NH3 has highest boiling point because there exists strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding in NH3. So that's why NH3 has highest boiling point. Now after this, boiling point increases from PH3 to BiH3 because size increases, van der Waals forces increases and hence boiling point increases. Now NH3 is soluble in water. NH3 जो है वो पानी में बहुत जल्दी डिसॉल्व कर जाता है because it form hydrogen bond with water. While other hydrides they cannot form hydrogen bond with water, so they are insoluble in water. So only NH3 is soluble in water, rest of the hydrides are insoluble in water and the reason is hydrogen bonding. Now next property is bond angle. Now bond angle of hydrides of group 15 element decreases. NH3 has bond angle 107.8 degree, PH3 99.5 degree, ASH3 91.8 degree, SBH3 91.3 degree and BiH3 90 degree. Now bond angle decreases as we move down the group and the reason is size and electronegativity of central atom. Now nitrogen is very small in size and is highly electronegative, so that's why they will attract electron pair of NH bond strongly towards itself. So there is maximum repulsion between electron pairs. So it has maximum bond angle. Now as we move down the group, electronegativity decreases. So tendency of central atom to attract electron pair of MH bond decreases. So repulsion between different metal hydrogen bond decreases and hence bond angle decreases. So this is the reason why bond angle decreases from top to bottom. Next, basic character. A species which can donate a lone pair is known as base. Now basic character of hydrides of group 15 decreases down the group. NH3 greater than PH3 greater than SPH3 greater than BiH3. Now the reason is nitrogen is very small, so lone pair of electron is distributed over smaller size, so they can donate electron easily. So that's why NH3 has highest basic character. Now as we move down the group, size increases, lone pair of electron is distributed over larger volume, so tendency to lose lone pair decreases and hence strength decreases. Now reducing power of hydrides increases down the group due to decrease in bond dissociation energy down the group. Bond dissociation energy down the group कम होती जा रही है, so that's why reducing power of hydrides increases. Now next is reactivity towards halogen. Now elements of group 15 from trihalides of the type PX3 where X is halogen as well as pentahalides of the type PX5. Now, first is trihalides. Trihalides are covalent compounds become ionic down the group with sp3 hybridization and has pyramidal structure. Pentahalides are Lewis acid. They are Lewis acid because of presence of vacant d orbitals. Now they possess sp3d hybridization and hence they have trigonal bipyramidal shape. Now, next, the most important thing is nitrogen cannot form pentahalide. Nitrogen pentahalide नहीं बनाता because nitrogen does not contain vacant d orbitals. So that's why they cannot form pentahalides. Next important is NCl3 is stable but NBr3 or Ni3 are not stable. And the reason is because nitrogen has small size, so that's why they cannot accommodate large sized bromine or iodine atom. So that's why NBr3 or Ni3 are not stable. Next is bismuth also does not form pentahalides. Bismuth pentahalide नहीं बनाता and the reason is inert pair effect. Because of inert pair effect, bismuth does not form pentahalides. Now next is preparation of phosphorus trichloride PCl3. Now first preparation is, now it is obtained by passing dry chlorine over white phosphorus and then heated we get PCl3 phosphorus trichloride. Next preparation is by the action of thionyl chloride. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. When thionyl chloride is treated with white phosphorus, we get PCl3 phosphorus trichloride plus SO2 sulfur dioxide plus S2Cl2 disulfur dichloride. And next properties of PCl3 is it is colorless, oily liquid, it is hydrolyzed in the presence of moisture, and when hydrolyzed it gives H3PO3 phosphorus acid. It reacts with organic compounds containing OH group like acetic acid, ethanol, C2H5OH. Now next is PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride preparation. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with excess of dry chlorine. बहुत ज़्यादा हमने अमाउंट में क्लोरीन लेनी है, वो भी ड्राई, एंड वी गेट PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Next preparation is when white phosphorus is treated with SO2Cl2 sulfuryl chloride. SO2Cl2 is sulfuryl chloride and we get PCl5 plus SO2. And next properties, it is yellowish white powder and in moist air it hydrolyzes to POCl3 and finally converted to phosphoric acid H3PO4. Now next property is when PCl5 is heated, it sublimes and we get PCl3 plus Cl2. It reacts with organic compounds containing OH group like acetic acid, ethanol and convert them into chloro derivatives. Next, finally divided metals on heating with PCl5 we get corresponding chlorides like silver. When treated with PCl5 we get silver chloride plus PCl3. Now in solid state it exists as ionic solid PCl4 positive, PCl6 negative, in which cation is tetrahedral and anion is octahedral. Now structure of PCl3 is pyramidal. Phosphorus is bonded with 3 chlorine atoms and 1 lone pair of electron is present over phosphorus atom. So that's why it has pyramidal in shape. Now the structure of PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. Here 3 equatorial bonds, this one, 3 equatorial bonds are equivalent while 2 axial bonds, this one is axial bond, are longer than equatorial bonds. And the reason is axial bonds suffer more repulsion as compared to equatorial bond pair. So this is the structure of PCl5. Now next is oxides of nitrogen. The following are the oxides of nitrogen: N2O, NO, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. Now N2O is nitrous oxide and is also known as laughing gas. NO is nitric oxide and N2O3 is dinitrogen trioxide. This is dinitrogen tetraoxide and dinitrogen pentoxide. Here are the structure of these oxides of nitrogen. This is the structure of N2O. N or N may triple bond और nitrogen और oxygen में dative bond. This is the structure of NO. This is N2O3. N2O4 and N2O5. These are the structures of oxides of nitrogen. Now next is oxides of phosphorus. Now there are two main oxides of phosphorus. One is P4O6 and other is P4O10. And these are the structures of P4O6 and P4O10. So this is all about today's session. Thank you.